There was so many footfalls to our stars. Even it was a very good form to communicate with clients.
There have been people who saw our equipment here, and when we leave here, they come for it and they buy it, and that's the essence, and we are glad to be part of it.
Every year we try and bring the new product so that we can launch it in this forum, and the experience has been amazingly great. We look forward to participate next year also.
It's been wonderful, this year, and a lot of deals are going on in terms of MOUs, MOAs and all that.
So thank you for the opportunity. It's a great work by LN Export team. Thumbs up, great work.